Did you know that the onyx black sand of Reynisfjara Beach in Vik, Iceland is formed by volcanic activity? When lava collides with the ocean, it rapidly cools and shatters into small fragments of basalt. After which it houses a cool and unreal basalt cave nearby, called Hálsanefshellir. The Reynisfjara Beach is also one of the best destinations to see the Puffins. This beach has powerful waves called sneaker waves that result in rip currents. Finally, Reynisfjara can be seen in Star Trek, Rogue One, Noah, and Season 7 of Game of Thrones. Want more mind-blowing facts about the world's best attractions? Subscribe to our channel now.